Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new networks on a TP-Link Outdoors AP. To do this, first we'll need to click on the wireless right here on the configuration website, then move to the right and here you should find the add button, click on it, that way you'll see a new window. Inside you can fill up the information like SSID, that's the name for the Wi-Fi. You can also switch the security mode to add the password for that Wi-Fi and switch between a guest network or a normal network. When you enable guest network, that would be the guest network. If it's disabled, it's just a normal network. Then click on OK and that way you'll be able to create that network. Also make sure to save it on the bottom right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.